Hey, what's up, Jooba people? Before I demonstrate this, I just want to say this is a very beginner version and it is just suited for beginners. It's not going to work with the original song, but it's going to sound pretty cool. Let me show you what it sounds like. Too alarming now to talk about just G and E minor for the verses. Take your pictures down, shake it out. And then the chorus is going to be a C. There goes my hero, watch him as he goes. You could do that funny trick with the G. There goes my hero, it's ordinary. So that's the basis of the whole song. It's really actually a very simple song, very nice to play, and it's just got some intricacies. So for the chords of the song, if you've been following my beginner lessons, you know that these are the ways I teach to play G, like just with the two fingers instead of these two, but you could add them if you wanted to have a foolish sound. Okay, but that's going to be the G, and then the E minor is just going to be the two fingers. You could add these two fingers if you want to have that high. Okay, and then for the A minor, just a regular A minor. And then you can go to this C or to this one. So 1, 2, 3, 2. So that's the rough, but we're not going to do that for absolute beginner. Okay, now the verse just keeps that G, E minor thing going. And the way to count that if you're just doing down strums is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once you have that thing down, you're good. So I would suggest play the whole song with down strums first. Just down, 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 talk about. Just down, work it out. Just keep going. Truth or consequence, say it aloud. So just keep at it like that. Then, once you have that down and you want to get more into the strumming, you could do this pattern, which is it's going to sound like this: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. That's closer to the original strumming pattern that he does when he plays it live with acoustic. So down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so the way I marked it in the PDF is I marked it with, oh my goodness, sorry. Is I marked it as with these sections here, so you can kind of practice it in sections. So practice the down, down, up, down, down, up, and then put them two together: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. It's the last one. So da 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 da. So just practice it in like little chunks. Then for the chorus, you've got the strumming pattern. We got the chord C. Show you the C. There goes my hero, watch him as he goes. To a G. You could use the easy G, or you could use the big G with these two fingers. And for the C, you could also use the C add 9. There goes my hero, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. The pink ones are where you accent it. Okay, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that's it, guys. That's the whole song. Download the PDF, check it out, and I'm sure you'll be cool with it. If you want to do it with picking, which is also quite a nice touch, you just go like this. Just the PMI picking, P-I-M-I. Let me actually give you a close up. So with the G, you're gonna go. To talk about it. Take your pictures down, walk it out. Truth or confidence, say it out. I switched up the picking pattern there, but you get the idea. You could just stick with the basic. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. There goes my hero, his ordinary. What an amazing song. I really love the song. Pretty amazing. Cheers, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.